from HuadanRoad, and today I will show you our carbon fiber fabric. So you will see here is named Yuzhong carbon fiber, but we are the same company. So Langjue is Yuzhong is Langjue. So come here, I will show you around how carbon fiber is working and how carbon fiber parts be produced. So first of all, if you have ever reviewed my video before, you will know we will make the carbon fiber mental mold in Shanghai factory. We have a CNC machining mold factory in Shanghai. So we will produce the mold at first in Shanghai, and here are some mold here, which is under production. Yeah, some of them are aluminum, some of them are metal, steel metal. So depends on the quantity and the precision. Then we will give you the mental material option. What kinds of mold material is better for your order? And after we get the mold, then we have to cut the fabric according to your design. This is the 3K tweer weave carbon fiber, and this is the unidirectional carbon fiber fabric. Yeah, and we have the fabric stock in the upstairs. We will put it in the refrigerator to keep it cold. Then we will cut the fabric by machine. We will design the fabric cutting according to your design, according to your drawing file. Then the machine will cut the fabric automatically. And then after that we cut the fabrics, then we will mold it. We will layering up the fabric into the mold. And over there, that office is our layering up office. You will see there are several workers in the office now, and they are discussing how to layering up the fabric and what's the production technologies they should use. But I cannot show you closely in the office because we have to protect our client's design. We signed NDA, so you will know we will layering up in that office. After layering up, we will molding. We will do molding. So over there, you will see we have hot pressing machine. We have over there, we will have autoclave, and also here we have the oven, and of course we have vacuum pump set. Most of we will choose hot pressing technology, but some of the design we will choose autoclave. Also depends on the design and quantity. And we will put the mold here and move the mold into the machine, and the machine will be heated by high temperature, and then they will pressing and heating, and then demolding, and then we will get the final products, and the product will be solid and shaped. After we molding, then we will go to the deburring, polish. So with the deburring and polishing and the painting room is upstairs. So come with me. And this is our second floor. We have some sample room in this office, but the same reason we cannot show you closely about the sample room because since of the NDA, and we need to protect the design. But we can see this is the whole plant. So let's go to the painting room and see other procedures. Oh, this is our refrigerator. I can open it, and you will see we have a lot of fabric stock in this refrigerator. And this is the polish room, sanding room, because we have to, before painting, we have to do polish to make the surface more smoothly. So here, over there, these two rooms are sanding room, a polish room. Also, I cannot show you very clearly about what product they are working on. After sanding and polish, then we will go that painting room to do the final procedures. About the painting, there we have to do base painting and the top painting, and maybe there are several times painting. Then the product will be finished. The painting room is working on, so now I cannot show you the painting room, the whole painting room, but this is painting room. After painting, we will hang up the parts here to make it dry, and after that, we will go to the oven. The products will go into the oven here, stoven, and heat it, dry it with high temperature, or maybe what kinds of temperature. One time painting, one time drying. So several times painting, several times painting. And after that, then the whole procedures be finished, and you can get your final products. So this is a whole procedures of carbon fiber production. Maybe when you listening about my video, you think it's very simple, but actually the whole procedure is actually very complex. I just express it very simply, but carbon fiber, the whole procedures will take a lot of time and labor cost to do that, to finish that. But anyway, we are very professional on carbon fiber parts production manufacturer. So if you're interested in any customized shaped carbon fiber parts, you can contact us and welcome your inquiries. This is Igor from HuadanRoad, and bye-bye, see you next time.